This is 2020 AMC 10A problem number 4. A driver travels for 2 hours at 60 miles per hour, during which her car gets 30 miles per gallon of gasoline. She is paid 50 cents per mile, and her only expense is gasoline at $2 per gallon. What is her net rate of pay in dollars per hour after this expense? So we can see that her income depends on two factors: her pay and her expenses. And each of those depend on the distance that she travels. So that will be our key ingredient to solving this problem. So we know that distance equals rate times time, and we know that a rate is 60 miles per hour for 2 hours. So we have distance equals 60 miles per hour times 2 hours. So we have distance equals 120 miles. So now we can make 2 columns. I'll make 2 rows, and here I'll calculate her pay, and here I'll calculate her expenses. Okay, so we can start with the pay. So her pay, she's paid 50 cents or $0.5 for each mile. So we have her pay equals 120 miles times $0.50 per mile. So we have her pay is equal to $60. And now we can move on to her expenses. We have her expenses. So she has to pay $2 per gallon of gasoline, and each gasoline can take her 30 miles. So first we can calculate how many gallons of gasoline she uses. So we know that she travels 120 miles. So actually, let's not calculate expenses first. Let's calculate gallons of gasoline. So we have gallons of gasoline equals 120 miles divided by 30 miles per gallon. So we have her gallons of gasoline is equal to 40 gallons. 4 gallons, not 40. Yeah, so we have 4 gallons of gasoline. And now we can calculate the price, which is $2 per gallon. So we have her expenses are equal to 4 gallons of gasoline times $2 per gallon. So we have her expenses equal to $8. So now here I can now calculate her total income. Total income. So her total income is going to be her pay minus her expenses. So we have income is equal to $60 of pay minus $8 of expenses. So her income is equal to $52. But we have to be careful because this problem isn't asking for her income. It's asking for her pay in dollars per hour. So we have to find dollars per hour. We know she travels for 2 hours, and we know her income, which means we can just divide her income by the hours. So we have rate of pay is equal to $52 over 2 hours, which is $26 per hour, which gives us a final answer of E.